How to use Moomoo trading app. So first of all, as a general idea on how and what this app is, so it is a stock trading app that will let you buy and sell assets like stocks, crypto, HK, EFTs, and options using real-time data and charts. So if you want to go ahead and start, you're gonna download the app first. Go ahead to your Play Store or wherever you can download the app and then install the app. Once you've done that, you can directly sign up. You can use your email and then verify yourself in order to log in. Once logged in and completing your verification or KYC, you can deposit funds into your accounts. And if you plan to trade foreign markets like US stocks, you may need to convert your currency first before you do this. And once funded, you can go to your search bar and look up a specific stock you want to go for and open its page to view charts, data, and news and other kinds of things you can take a look at much before trading. So to place a trade, you're gonna have to enter a stock and find the trade button here in the bottom left. You could paper trade if you want to test things out, but so basically you're gonna enter the price, quantity, and order type, which is market or limit. Then confirm your buy or sell order once you fill in the details of every other thing here. So like your price, quantity, your time in force, or your session. Then once you've done all of that, you can track your holdings. It will appear in your portfolio once it was executed. The app will let you track your profits with holdings as we mentioned and losses in the positions or your portfolio tab. Then the beginners can also use the paper trading as we mentioned just now, which is again to practice with virtual money before risking your real funds. So a quick tip is to just use limit orders to control your price, set stop loss to manage risk, and start small while you are learning. But that is the general idea on how Moomoo works. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.